So we started out with an antique dresser and then did 2 coats of a gray paint, and we are ready to move forward with a lace overlay. All right, so the idea is it's easier to use the overlay if you can work on a surface that's flat. And then we're going to use a plaster material to pass it through the lace. That'll kind of give you a reverse stencil look. This is a Modern Masters plaster, and it comes pre-tinted, and it comes in many colors. So you just want to mix it as best you can, because sometimes it's a little thicker on the top and a little more moist underneath. So now we're going to go ahead and run the plaster through the lace. I didn't use any starch or spray adhesive or anything like that, so it's just laying on top. Once you get the plaster over top and it makes contact with the drawer, with the wood surface underneath, and you can see that the lace will actually stay put. So I have some clear top coat in here. This is a new product, and it's a matte finish, and it's a water-based product, and so you just apply 2 coats. I would allow, I think the product said 2 to 4 hours in between coats for drying. Just apply it, let it dry, and reapply your second coat, let it dry another 4 hours, and you are good to go.